Did you know that a desperate king's deal with the Pope created a nation that lasted over 1,000 years? In 756, Frankish king Pepin the Short had a big problem. He had just thrown the rightful Merovingian king off the throne, but nobody thought he was the real ruler. Meanwhile, Pope Stephen II was terrified because the Lombards were about to invade and destroy him. So these two desperate men made a deal that changed Europe forever. Pepin promised to protect the Pope from the Lombards. In exchange, the Pope would bless Pepin's coup and make him the first divinely chosen Frankish king. The papal coronation was incredible. Holy oil, sacred ceremonies, and God's approval stamped on a usurper. Pepin kept his word, crushing the Lombards and driving them from Ravenna. But then he did something shocking. Instead of keeping the conquered Italian lands for himself, he gave them all to the Pope. This donation to Pepin created the Papal States, making popes both spiritual and political rulers for the next 11 centuries.